Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to easily and quickly install this wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm super excited about this one because for one, I'm absolutely in love with this color. Like, it's absolutely beautiful. I really love it. And it's a kinky hair. It's another kinky yaki straight hair, which is just, it looks like our hair. It looks actually like my hair. And as you guys can see, that a lot of these companies have started improving on their edges to give you a natural looking edges without glue, without without glue, without gel. And I normally use my beard hairspray, but surprisingly they were like, you don't have to use your beard hairspray, you don't have to use any spray. I was like, okay, let me see how it's going to work. And yes, I'm wearing it without any spray. Like, I didn't spray anything on it, and it's just perfect because it comes with this band that will really hold the wig down to your head and it's not going to fall out. It's very secured and it has this natural edges, so you don't have to lay anything. This is what it looks like, as you guys can see. And even if I make a party, you see what the lace looks like. You see that the lace is just, it just fits my skin perfectly. It's as if it melts into my skin. It's as if it's my hair. Like, it's really amazing. I'm really loving this wig. And you know, with this type of wig, you can style it in so many ways. Honestly, you can do any style. You can even braid it a little bit, you know, and just have this loose looking braids. You know, if you want, it's okay. You can do it sometimes to change it up a little bit. You can do a middle part, a side part here. It's versatile. It didn't come pre-patterned. I actually did this pattern myself because I prefer the side pattern, but if I want to do a middle part, I can actually do a middle part with it. Like, and yes, in case if you're wondering, this wig is from Genius Hair Company. I'm going to put their link and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below. And yes guys, that's all it's going to be for now. Thank you so much for watching, and now let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the packaging of the hair looks like. So the wig came through FedEx. And these are the accessories that came with the wig. And this is the wig. As you guys can see, the color is very beautiful and it's really soft and full. And it comes with this hairband that keeps the wig very secured. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. So here I'm just trying to, you know, secure the wig and put it on properly. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. You guys can see the way the edges look. It looks so natural. This lace is absolutely amazing. So right here, I'm gonna start doing my side parting. Then I'll be twisting the part to give it a more natural look. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer on it. And I'll spray a little bit of water on the hair, and then I'm gonna apply a leave-in conditioner just to moisturize the hair. Also, I'll be applying my heat protectant oil because I'm going to use my hot comb. So right here, I'm just going to comb the hair with the hot comb to lay it very well. And yes guys, this is what it looks like. You guys can see it looks absolutely beautiful and so natural. I didn't have to spray anything, any face spray, nothing. It looks so natural. So if you don't like a side pattern, you can also do a middle pattern, which I'm showing here. And this is what it looks like. Very nice. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put it into a ponytail, like a low ponytail. Which is very lovely as well. And then right here, I'm gonna do a 2 quick braid in front. You guys can braid it anyhow you want to braid it. You can do 4 if you want. You can do 6, or you can just do 2, or make it smaller or bigger. Like, the sky is your limit. Seriously, you can style this wig anyhow you want it. And this is the final look. As you guys can see, it looks so beautiful. And that's what it's gonna be for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. See you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.